Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies from scratch. First, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 1½ cups of sugar until light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, mixing until just combined to form a soft dough. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling. Now, let's prepare the perfect royal icing for your cookies. Start by whisking 3 tablespoons of meringue powder with 6 tablespoons of warm water until foamy. Then, gradually beat in 4 cups of powdered sugar until the mixture is smooth and forms stiff peaks. A stand mixer works wonders here. Finish by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely flavor, mixing until fully incorporated. This icing will harden beautifully. With your royal icing ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Divide your icing into separate bowls and add gel food coloring to create vibrant hues. Use a piping bag fitted with a small round tip to carefully outline the edges of your cooled sugar cookies. Once the outline sets slightly, thin some icing with a few drops of water and flood the outlined areas. Let each color dry completely before adding more details. For the best results, allow your beautifully decorated cookies to dry completely for 6 to 8 hours, or even overnight. This ensures the royal icing hardens perfectly and prevents smudging. Store your finished masterpieces in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain their freshness. They also make wonderful gifts. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for links, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.